solve for n here. Okay, so let's be very careful here. We are given 1 on the nth root of 4 minus 1 on the nth root of 2 equals 6. Alright, now, alright, so when we were given n root r, the same as, now this one is n root of r, let me write it well, the same as r raised to 1 on n. So this side will be 1 on 4 raised to 1 on n. So we have this 1 on n. We have the same thing here, 1 on 2 raised to 1 on n equals to 6. Okay, so now when we're given 1 on 5 squared is the same as 1 on 5 all squared. Let's be very careful. So we can bring the 1 over n out, okay? So we can say 1 over 4 raised to 1 on n minus 1 on, so 1 on 2 raised to 1 on n. So let's bring the 6 in, minus 6 equals to 0. Okay, so we are done with this side. Now from here, we can so take this one. Now I want to come out with a common terms here, okay, so that we can take them out. Now I want to rewrite this one as 1 on 2 squared, okay. So we have 1 on n. This one remains the same, minus 6 equals to 0. Remember the same rule, we can bring these two out. So that will be 1 on 2 raised to 1 on n or raised to 2. So if taking the 2 out, in going back, these two will affect this and affect this one as well. So minus 1 on 2 raised to 1 on n minus 6 equals to 0. Now we have a common terms here, so this and that are the same. So let's represent it by a variable. So let k be 1 over 2 raised to 1 on n. So this one has been taken out. So in going back, I'll put k here. So that will be k squared. So we have k squared minus k minus 6 equals to 0. So because this side is minus 6, so you have the two factors as minus 3 plus 2 k minus 6 equals to 0. So we have this. Now from here, we can take k out, k minus 3. We can take 2 out, k minus 3 equals to 0. So we have common terms here, k plus 2, k minus 3, k minus 3 equal to 0. So from here, k plus 2 equals to 0, or k minus 3 equals to 0. So we have k equals minus 2, and we have this side equals to 3. So we have two answers for k, as -2 and 3. Now remember, we have k as half of, okay, half of, so we have half raised to that. So let's go back. So we have half raised to that equals to k. So the first answer for k is -2. Now if I put -2 here and I take log on both sides, because of the negative, it won't work. So this one is out. Now let's proceed with the positive value of k. If I put 3 here, I think that will work. Okay, so from here I'll take log on both sides. So let's take log of half raised to 1 over n equals to log 3. So this one is a power rule. Okay, following log a to the power t, the same as t log a. So we have 1 over n log half, okay, equals to log 3. Okay, now we can write this one as 2 to the power -1, and the negative one will still come here. Okay, so the same as 1 over n. So let's do the manipulation. Log 2 to the power -1, the same as log 3. Okay, the negative one will come, so that will be -1 over n log 2 equals to log 3. And we can divide both sides by -1. So that will be 1 over n log 2 equals to negative log 3. And it's the same as 1 over n log 2 equals to, so this side will also come, that will be log 3 to the power -1, which is the same as log 1 over 3. So we can divide both sides by log 2. So that will be 1 over n equals to log 1 over 3 over log 2. Okay. So from here, have 1 over n equals to, so we can write the right hand side as a single log. Okay, so log a over log b, the same as log a to base b. Okay, so this side will be log 1 over 3 to base 2. Okay, and the same as, so the same as 1 over log 1 over 3 to base 2 equals to n. And my n will be, so this one the same as log 2 to base 1 over 3. And we can still manipulate this one. Okay, so let's write this one. So we have n equals to log 2. So the 1 over 3 here is the same as 3 to the power -1. Now remember, when you have log a to base c to the power t, the same as 1 over t log a to base c. So this side will be 1 over minus 1 log 2 to base 3. So it means n is negative log 2 to base 3. So this is the answer. All right. So thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more exciting videos. All right.